everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be trying out the birthday cookie from Revolution. So I've already tried out the chocolate chip, the red velvet, and now I'm going to be trying the birthday cake one. So this video is going to be going up on Thursday, which is my birthday. So happy birthday to me right now for the future. But yeah, I'm going to try this out with you guys. I think this one is just really cute. Like, I love this one. So it's got yellow with little pink chocolate chips, which I've never seen a cookie like that before, but hey, it's gorgeous. And this one is very, very girly, very pretty, perfect for birthdays. Perfect. So I'm literally gonna go straight in with this. So I'm gonna swatch a few colours first. So we've got this lovely purple. This, oh, I love that lilac. Oh my god. So these are beautiful. That yellow is stunning. Wowzers. Look at them. They are beautiful. And then the only other colours is this pink and the middle colour. You know what? These colours are beautiful. I'm obsessed. I don't know what colours to go in with at all. But I've got like a sandy top on, like a mustardy sandy coloured top. Sorry that my makeup is like all over the place because I've just filmed another eye look and I've just kind of like wiped it off. So now I look stupid. So I am going to go in with the colour. I'm going to go in with this pink actually. Yes, happy birthday. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma say what I like. I'm 26. It's not even my birthday when I'm filming this, but I will be 26 when you see this. That is a pretty colour. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love pink. I'm having such a pink moment at the moment. I love pink. Usually I always wear like nude colours, you know, like browns and beiges and golds. But lately I've really been loving pink, especially these kind of pinks. They just, oh, they just look nice. I really love that pink actually. I'm going to go in with that darker pink. Oh, she's a stunner. I'm just like deepening the look up a little bit.
This cookie's gigantic, whoa.
You know what? I really want to use that yellow. It's just really nice. But then I like that lilac as well. I don't know. I'm going to go in with the lilac just because I need to. It's pretty. I'm going to put it like on the outer corner. Oh, that didn't really come up much. Let's try a different brush. Didn't really get much from that. I'm going to go in with this dark purple. It's pretty, but it's not majorly pigmented, to be honest. Oh, do you know what? These colours are very, like, pastel. Like, they're light. They're not bright colours at all, which I kind of like. I'm kind of loving it, actually. So, I think I'm going to go with... Let me see if I can get some of this lilac, because she's pretty. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, they're not majorly pigmented, but they are absolutely, in fact, I am obsessed. This is beautiful. Like, they're so pastely and light coloured, which, oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go with this yellow and see where we should put these. I'm gonna put it in this little, whoa, she's bright. Oh, wasn't expecting that. She blew me away. Let's try. I'm gonna have to go in with a brush with that one. Let's go in with a pop of yellow. Hello. Oh my god, these colours are beautiful. What the heck? I'm going back in with that pink and I'm gonna just go back over. Then I'm gonna go in with that lilac again. A bit of the dark one and a bit of the light one. Oh my god. Guys, this palette is the best. This palette is my favourite so far. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. These colours are so pretty and pastel, and I don't think I own anything like this at all. I love it. I think this colour and just combo is just perfect. I feel like I could be there for hours just working on it, like just building it up. The more you build up, the better, but it looks so good, so faint. Like, I'm obsessed with that. So I'm gonna do some mascara, just redo my mascara a little bit, and I'll be back. So you guys, I'm back. I'm obsessed. I love this palette. I was kind of thinking, okay, there's no pigment, what's going on? But I love that. I love it. This palette is gorgeous. If you haven't got this one, and if you haven't got any of the collection and you want to get one, you can only get one or something, definitely get the birthday cake one. I am actually shook by this. Like, this is really pretty. I love how pastel vibes. I just love it. It's gorgeous. So guys, this is just perfect. I'm really interested in this palette. Like, I will be doing more looks with this. So overall, I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. The other ones I gave 8 and 9 so far. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's absolutely stunning. Be honest with you, when I first looked at it, I thought, oh, this is way too girly. This is way too children-y, like kiddie. I don't know, it just gave me like, it gave me a vibe of a palette I would have picked up when I was a little girl. But oh, this is beautiful. This is a really, really beautiful palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this look, and I'll show you up close so you can see a bit better. The yellow is just gorgeous. It's just, oh, it's a vibe. So it's my birthday today in the future. But yeah, this is a perfect little look for a birthday picture. I'm now going to go and get a lovely birthday picture for the gram. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you are new. Make sure you follow my Instagram. We have a Revolution giveaway coming, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.